Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you check out savvynaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. Also make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video we will be doing a tea tree oil skincare routine, or the Body Shop's tea tree oil set skincare routine. So I have a few products from the Body Shop that we will be trying that I did purchase, and I'm excited to try these products. And the reason why is because they have tea tree oil in them, and I love tea tree oil. But I just want to make a disclaimer. I didn't know personally that there was tea tree oil in Kenya. I didn't know. I'm actually surprised. So I'm excited to try these products from the Body Shop. They are for people with oily skin and acne, but when it comes to anything with tea tree oil in it, I am a huge fan of it for all skincare types except those with sensitive skin. I love tea tree oil. I love tea tree oil products. I cannot get enough of them. So when I found out the Body Shop had a whole line of tea tree oil products that I want to make a disclaimer that I have been using for a while, I just had to get on camera and talk about it with you. So I'm really excited to do that in this video. So let's get into the video. So let's put the skin clearing facial wash on our skin. It does have a green color, scented with tea tree oil, and that is why I love it. This cleanser, the Body Shop's cleanser, is actually one of my favorite. I've used the Trader Joe's. Y'all know I'm always recommending the Trader Joe's when I do a simple skincare routine. I have actually stopped using the Trader Joe's one and went ahead and went with the Body Shop one because it is that amazing to me. I just love it so much. It just gets, like, if you have dirt, grime, if you're looking for a tingling sensation, it just gets into your skin. If you have blackheads, like whiteheads, any type of, like, just when your skin is having one of those days, like when my skin is having one of those days where it doesn't need a gentle cleanser, this is always my go-to versus Trader Joe's. I love a good tea. I am just so biased when it comes to anything with tea tree oil, but right now I'm talking a lot and it's in my mouth, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse my face. Oh my god, oh my god, I'm so happy to get that taste out of my mouth. It was horrible. I was talking. I'm always talking. I probably talk a lot. Y'all probably like, she really talks a lot. That's why it gets in my mouth. It's like time for me to stop talking. Now we will be using the Mattify Toner. I couldn't find my cotton rounds, so I will be using cotton balls. I have no clue where my cotton rounds are. This is what happens when you have a toddler. She takes your stuff and literally just misplaces it. Oh my god, you should see us at Walmart. She literally goes into the skincare aisle and just act like she at home. Just messy. But no, I'm not one of them parents that let her run around the store, so you know, I'm not there. So let's go ahead. I did have to shake it up because it you have to activate the mattifying powders. But yeah, I'm just letting y'all know. So this is what it looks like. It looks like green. It looks like matcha powder. So that's what it looks like. So I'm just go ahead and dab. You could wipe. However, I am just rubbing just a little bit. Don't be too harsh. This stuff is so potent and powerful. I am an advocate of tea tree oil. Y'all know I'm still a mini hippie at heart. And I love a good tea tree oil set. I am so excited that they came out with a tea tree oil line. Why none of y'all told me about it, I have no clue. But this is so... It will, for certain skin types, I will say it will burn you if you're not used to it, but it gives you like this invigorating, tingling sensation on 20. So it's like that, but it's not like pharmacy. Y'all know how pharmacies honey masks burn your skin. It's not that bad yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and just dab it a little bit more and we'll move on to the next step. Okay, you guys, so this is my face. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the Body Shop Tea Tree Mattifying Lotion on my skin. We could talk about all the products after. I know I'm raving about some of them, but some of them I'm side-eyeing. Anyways, before we get into that, I want to tell you the ultimate potent combination I do use around the time of the month when I am using this lotion. I do personally want to say this. I do use tea tree oil on this on my skin, although they don't recommend it you do that. I do it, and I know it's not recommended. I've done it and it doesn't cause scars. I put it on everything from them on acne, any type of rash I get, I am dousing it with some tea tree oil. I'm that type of person that before we go to the doctor, let's do our alternative homeopathic remedies first to get you to where we need to go before we really need to head into the doctor. That being said, this is what I like to do. I add about a quarter size amount because y'all know I have a thick head. So I add that, and then I add 2 drops. I just did 1 drop, so I'm gonna show y'all the next one. That's it. 2 drops, 3 drops. It was 3, but that's it. I mix it together. This is just what I like to do, just to get the full benefits, especially when it's that time of the month for me. I like to get the full benefits of the tea tree oil all up on my skin. That is just what I like to do, and I like to rub it in until my skin is nice and saturated in this combination. Okay, you guys, so that is the full tea tree oil skincare routine. I'm gonna go ahead and do a close-up. Okay, you guys, so this is what my skin looks like. Here's full face glam. Here's my cheek. Here is my other cheek. Here is my forehead. Here is my chin. Oh, my skin feels really soft and mattified, and I just feel oh so great. So you know what, you guys, let's talk about it. Okay, you guys, so let's talk about the Body Shop's tea tree oil collection. If I had one product that I would truly recommend to you guys from this line, it would definitely be the facial wash. I love the facial wash. It is drying, it is not gentle, but if you have texture skin, if you have fickle skin, if you have skin that has whiteheads, bumps, just really greasy, grimy skin, most of us get it, some women get it during the time of the month, I highly recommend using this facial wash. I've had days where I've used skincare products that I've reviewed to you guys, and normally I would use the Trader Joe's facial wash, but I have skipped that, and this one has become my holy grail because it always clears up my skin, and over time it reduces the texture. I love the toner as well. The toner is a little bit more potent and it will dry your skin out, so just be careful when using the toner. The toner is potent. I personally don't care for the mattifying lotion, and that's because I have combination skin that is dry, leany, and the mattifying lotion is definitely for oily skin people. So shout out to all the oily skin people out there. The Body Shop actually made a lotion for you guys. Some people, some brands market to all skin types, but the fact that Body Shop actually marketed this line to oily skin types, and sometimes all skin types could use, I really could get with. That's just my opinion. I don't see myself ever buying the mattifying lotion again, but I do use it in combination with the tea tree oil when I am having a day where my skin, or it's that time of the month where I have a breakout and my skin is just looking really greasy and grimy. However, that is like 2 to 3 days, maybe a week out of the month, so I don't use it that much. However, when I mix it with the tea tree oil, I got a combination going on that I cannot resist. And of course, y'all already know I am a fan of tea tree oil. And let me explain to you what I was saying in the beginning of the video when I did say, oh, well, you know, I didn't know that tea tree oil was made in Kenya. The tea tree oil that I have gotten and have forever loved is the one that at Walmart. And I forgot the name of the one at Walmart. What it's called is somewhere in this house right now as we speak. But it's a little louder and it's a little potent, and it is an Australian excuse me, it's an Australian brand of tea tree oil. And then the one that Akara, or I hope I'm saying it right, the Essential Oil brand makes, that one comes from Australia as well. So I was under the assumption that all tea tree oils came from Australia. I didn't know they came from Kenya. My picks, of course, would have to be the tea tree oil because I love tea tree oil in its purest form. And of course, the, wait, that's the toner. Of course, the facial wash. I can do without this lotion, and the reason why is because it's not hydrating for my skin type. It's a horrible hydration. If you have dry skin, if you have sensitive skin, the lotion is just not going to give you that hydration you need. So I would not recommend those skin types using the lotion, but oily skin could get away with using this lotion and you will love it. But right now, even as we look at my forehead, my texture has cleared up, but I am literally flaking and drying at the top. Can y'all see? Hold on. Can y'all see? I am flaking and drying at the top, and that's from the lotion because it's not for my skin type. I would recommend anyone using tea tree oil in their skincare regimen. If you would like to look up the benefits of tea tree oil in skincare, please do. It has some amazing benefits. I've been using tea tree oil for years. I told you I try to put it on rashes, wingworms. I don't know if it go away or not, but I love me some tea tree oil. With that being said, you guys, I want to thank you so much. Definitely, I want to say this before I leave. Definitely put it on pimples. If you have any type of pimple, please put it on. However, they do recommend you cut it down with some type of oil. I don't, because I don't have sensitive skin. However, if you do have sensitive skin, don't put pure tea tree oil on your skin. That is what I do. Now, I told you not to. Don't come back to me telling me I put it on my skin and I told you not to. I told you what I do. It's a tip. I'm not telling you to do it. It's worked for me, but I've had times where I've put orange essential oils in my bath water and didn't cut them down, and honey was scarring down the house on my legs. So with that being said, you know, it depends on skincare types, what type of oils we can use and what type we can't use. And I'm just letting you know, it will work for a pimple. You may need to cut it down, try some lotion, and add a few drops of tea tree oil to the lotion. You got some magic there. With that being said, now I am going to go. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. Make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.